Nick says hello. Nick's the tour guide and also the hostel owner. So he's taking us around Ubud today. Only imagine. I'm so happy I don't have to drive here. Scooters are okay, but anything else? No. God, no. They're built like on levels, right? So that the water runs down.
The water from the top, they fill it from the top to the ground, and then after they full, they throw it to the river.
Into the river. It goes in a full cycle. Starts at the house at the top there. Yeah. Like the system here. That's
the irrigation system we call Subat.
Subat. Oh, it's cold too, man. I mean, I'm not surprised by that, but. Oh, this is the rice. What? That's nuts.
Now how wild this one? 2.5 square meter area. We will be have rice around 4 kilograms of rice. Yes, maybe 4 months. Okay. 4 months. 1 month is the land need to rest.
Oh.
It's used for
rice pudding and stuff.
Oh. Whoa.
So locally.
Family. Not selling.
Okay. You don't sell any of the rice here?
Not selling.
Oh.
Just for my family.
And is it enough for like a year? Can you eat all year for your family?
Yeah.
Really?
You Balinese people, you very.
That's from? Like, what's this?
Came from like the glass they sell where the good leftovers. Yeah, leftovers, the broken one. And
resource.
They process with these.
So take the broken glass. It's like a massive factory, and they make these beautiful things out of it. It's insane. This is crazy.
So they also cut like a touch with the tree one. So see, look.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So they're fit perfectly.
They fit all you need.
Oh, make sure not to get burned. Oh, he's blowing down the tube too. I don't need to get burned today. I'm glad we stopped.
What do you call glass bowl, right?
Glass bowl, yeah.
I have to put in my
What's it called? Peke nasi curry?
Nasi campur package.
Yeah, that. Whatever you said.
Time before the mythology of the temple, we have like a bed king before. His name is Maya the Nawa. So the bed king and but is very powerful king. So used to be, he said he is the god. He said because he's very powerful, he said to the people around here, he's the one of the god.
He chose himself type of thing? Oh, okay.
That's why the god is very angry. And the god of fighter, which is the Indra, he come here to fight with this king. And then the Indra, he snapped from the arrow, he has the arrow, and then they snap the ground and the holy water come.
Oh.
So this is the holy water now. Until now they still exist, still coming up from the ground.
We're into the temple now, and this is where the water's for cleansing, right?
Yes.
Right, for cleansing.
Purification,
Purification and cleansing. So we're about to go inside and see where the water actually comes from. Like it's natural water from a spring. But then once we come back outside, we're gonna go through and then cleanse ourselves in this same water. All the water from the temple is like natural, it comes from a spring, and this big pond is filled with koi fish. Koi fish need really good, like very pure water to, I guess I don't say survive, but I mean to live in. And usually when you see koi fish in like aquariums or really anywhere else, they always have some really good filter. But the water here is so pure that they don't need any. Who was the guy who shot the arrow?
Indra.
Indra god, the guy, sorry, the god, sorry. The god who shot the arrow into the pond to get the holy water. that then runs down through the temple and purifies. Yeah, the dude.
The guy.
What's this? Over a week ago, and I'm still like, my skin is still.
All dressed up and ready to go. Yeah, it's aggressive. I thought we were going to be able to stand underneath it or something, but yeah, definitely not. Oh my god. Yeah, go lie down in there. We're back in the city now, and we're at a grocery store, and it's crazy. I love seeing the different like Oreo flavors and stuff like that. They have peanut butter chocolates, strawberry cream, and also like that's like super cheap. Chocolate cream, double stuff. I guess it's really well fizzy. So I think I'm just gonna buy. I like coming here and just buying a few random things. I'm definitely buying some Oreos.